Okay, there's my little design. I've put my doodles on it, all my little pattern work, and the next step in the process is to paint it. So I'm just going to layer some newspaper on my workboard. And we only use craft paint, so craft paint, poster paint, any acrylic paint that you have handy, any color that you like. So just a normal brush. And when you paint over it, you just want to make sure that you really get into all those grooves, because as soon as we wipe the paint off, that's where it's going to sit, and that's what makes your design work pop. So we just paint over the whole thing. So when we paint over this with black paint, it gives you that pewter look. So it's also called faux metal embossing, because it looks like the real deal, or almost. And it's really fun and easy for the kids to do. It's a fun little project to tackle when you need a quick gift. It doesn't take long at all. And in no time, you can have a beautiful handmade little gift for someone. So just like that. So now we just leave it to dry for about a minute or two. So you can see if I touch it, it's still quite wet. So we just want it to become a little bit tacky. So I'm going to leave it for a minute or two, and then I'll be back to show you the next step.